Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. I hope audio video is okay. Let me know if any issue. I think we can start now. Let me know if any small issue also. If no doubt, we can start now. This is the one of the very important topic. This is the one of the very important topic. Topic name is live variable analysis. Topic name is live variable analysis. It's a very important topic. You may get approximately 2 marks. You may get approximately 2 marks. In important topics, it is one of the important topic. Live variable analysis in compiler design. It's going to give 2 marks to you. Right? Very nicely arranged. If you see this entire lecture, it is more than enough. If you see this entire lecture, it is more than enough. Let me know, audio video okay or not. If any issue, let me know. Those people who are watching, please comment in the comment section. If anything, any issue, small issue also there, please comment in the comment section. It's going to be very useful for all the people. It's going to be very useful for all the people. So yeah, I'm starting. Is audio video okay? Check once. Yeah, today's date is I think yes, 5. Today's date is 5/11/25. This is the today's date. This is one of the important topic, live variable analysis in compiler design. So it is a 2 marks are guarantee. 2 marks mostly going to come, right? Please see one time. So I'm starting with the definition onwards. 5/11/25, 2 marks going to come. In the important topics, it's one of the important topic, like live variable analysis in compiler design. So let's start. What is, right? What is, first of all, live variable analysis? What means, first of all, what is the meaning of live variable? What is the meaning of live variable? So many examples also there. You will easily get it. Live variable. See, a variable is live at a point in a program if its value will be used later before being overwritten. Very simple, right? See this one. At this point of time, I am live or not. What is the guarantee? At this point of time, I am live or not. What is the guarantee? Is if someone else use me, if someone using me later, if someone using me later, that means I am live. Someone using me later, at some point of time from now onwards, someone using me, then I can say I am live. Suppose no one using me, there is no meaning of I am live. As of now, I can say I am live. What is the meaning? Someone else going to use me. Someone else going to use me afterwards. Maybe tomorrow someone will take my help. Maybe day after tomorrow someone will take my help. Maybe today, right, while class is going on, someone may take my help. So a variable is live at a point in a program if its value will be used later before being overwritten. Means suppose whatever I have now, is it live? When can I say? If someone else will use it. Suppose I updated, someone else is using me. That means they are not using my previous thing. They are using my updated things. Remember, whatever I have now, not a new one, not the new data. Whatever I have now, someone is using later point of time. Whatever I have now, someone is using later point of time. That is called, then I can say I am live at this point of time. I think you may not get clarity. Within few minutes, you will be okay. There is a definition, there is an example, everything is fine. So see this one. At this point of time in the program, right, a variable x is live. At this point of time in the program, a variable x is live. Let us assume that this statement is si. In this program, at si, x is live. When can I say? There are so many statements may be there, so many. So at sj, x is used. Right? At si, x is live. That means later point of time, x is used by someone. Sj is using x. Remember, this is old x. Suppose here x value 10. Here also x value 10 only. Suppose in between x is updated, so this x is not used, something else is used. So what I mean to say, at SI x is live means someone else is using that x later point of time. Not the new x, old x only. Whatever x as of now, x is 10. Someone else using that 10, someone else using that x, then I can say x is live. So anyhow, there is a definition, everything is perfect. See one time. A variable x is said to be live at a statement SI in a program if the following three conditions hold simultaneously. The first condition, there exists a statement Sj that uses x, okay, right? Sj using x, that is the first condition, okay. Second, there is a path from Si to Sj. Remember, Si to Sj, there is a way to go in the program. When you are running the program from Si to Sj, you can go. At Si x is live if and only if Sj is using x. But important thing is Si to Sj, there should be a path, right? That is the second line. Next one. In between, when you are going in that path, in between there is no overwriting. There is no overwriting. Please be careful. In the last place overwriting, there is no problem. See, x is used here using in the sense assignment operator right hand side. Assignment operator right hand side, if you use x, so that is called using. So in the last place, if you overwrite x, no problem, because you are using old x here, right? Last place overwriting, no problem. Last place overwriting, no problem. So please be careful. And some people are asking, sir, in the first place, in the SI place overwriting, in the SI place, if you write overwrite, here you will get the new value. So remember that overwriting can be done. That overwriting can be done. See this one, SI2, Sj minus 1, right? Let me check here. That overwriting, you cannot do overwriting here, you cannot do overwriting here, you cannot do overwriting here, you cannot do overwriting here. In the Sj, you can overwrite, no issue. Sj overwriting, okay. Right now, you can see the third line. The path has no intervening assignment to x, including Si. At Si also, there is no overwriting. See, no intervening, right, assignment to x, including Si and excluding Sj. At Sj, if you want, you can do overwrite. A variable x at Si is said to be live following three conditions hold good. First one, some statement Sj must use x. Next one, Si to Sj, there should be a path. And the next one, there is no overwriting. From Si to Sj minus 1, right, there is no overwriting. See, in this area, no overwriting. In this area, no overwriting. If at all in this area overwriting is there, this x is going to be definitely new value, right? I have to read old x only, right? This is now last time again some people are asking, sir, what is the live variable definition? Live variable is nothing but someone else will use me afterwards, then I can say I am live. But if I want to say more formally, this is the thing. In the example one, I given the definition also. If they don't give definition, right, remember this definition. Live variable definition, they don't give. Sometimes they may give, sometimes they may not give. If they give, if you are lucky, they will give definition also. If they don't give also, this is the definition for the live variable. Some people are saying that, sir, I have some doubts, sir. With the help of this example one, until now definition only over. Now with the help of this example, you will get the more clarity. Right? Let me see this example. Third statement also over. In this program, careful, in this program, at statement 2, at statement 3, who are live? See the question here. The variables which are live both at the statement in basic block 2 means here. In basic block 2 and basic block 3, right? The variables which are live at both the places. See, the variables which are live at both the statement in basic block 2 and basic block 3 of the above control flow graph means at the 2 and 3 at both who are live means intersection of 2 and 3 we have to find out. So definitely easily I will do that. right? You can also, small doubt also there in the comment section, you can ask. Small doubt also there in the comment section, you can ask, right? You may say that, sir, very right. So, sir, this document will you give or not? Of course, I will provide this document also to you. I will provide this document also to you. Happily, you can revisit again. Some people, you may ask that, sir, from where I can get this document, sir? Nothing there. See, just go to exampreptool.com. Just go to exampreptool.com. In the exampreptool.com, just click on the your GATE CSE. Click on there. Then you will see GATE CSE, all the articles you will see. GATE CSE, all the articles which are necessary, you will see. One of the articles, live variable analysis. If you click on that, you will get this. So whenever you have doubt, you come back and you check. Whenever you have doubt, you come back and you can check. I'm explaining clearly. If you have small doubt also there, you come and you check here. Right? So let me explain now. Everything is ready. Let me explain now. This example I'm explaining, please listen. At 2 and 3, which variables are live? I'm starting now. See this. 2 and 3. So I am doing at 4 also. For your convenience, I'm doing at 4 also. 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, who are live. Now, variables, if you observe, I think P, Q, R, S, U, V. P, Q, R, S, U, V. Little doubt also there, you can ask me. Small doubt also there, you can ask me. The purpose of this one is, it's a very important. It will give definitely some marks to you. This will definitely give some marks to you. This will give definitely some marks, right? So at every place, at the 2 which variables are live, at the 3 which variables are live, I'm going to explain. So definition also there, Whopper, right? I'm explaining. Small doubt also there, you can see the above definition. All right, let's start at the 2. At the 2 who are live, right? But remember, using is nothing but assignment operator right side is called using. Assignment operator right side is nothing but using. So at the 2 directly I can say R is live. At the 2 directly I can say R is live. You also live directly. Because see this one, you are using R. At the 2 R is live, because at the 2 itself you are using R. So remember. So I can say I am live. Someone is using me afterwards. That is the one thing. But I am using myself. That is also live. At least to say you are live, you should use yourself. You are calling yourself, right? No one will say I am dead if I am calling myself. Hi, Mr. Reddy, how are you? Hi, Mr. Reddy, what movie you like? Hi, Mr. Reddy, whom you hate more? Right? So if I am talking myself, then no one will say I'm dead. At least, right? I should call myself. I should use myself. Suppose right? I'm not using myself. Someone else is using. Then also I am live. So at the 2 who are live is, right? 2 itself using R. 2 itself using you. So these 2 people are live as of now. But there may be a chance that some more people may be used afterwards. Now let's check who else can be live. So at the 2, I'm easily saying to at the 2, P is live or not, I will check. Can you help? At the 2, are you using P? No. At the 2, P is live or not, I want to verify. At the 2, P is, are you using P? No. Okay. At the 2, you are not using. Can I go 2 to 3? Sorry, can I go 2 to 4? Right? So there should be a path. That's the meaning. So 2 to 4, can I go? Yes. At least in the 4, are you using Q? So are you using P? We are talking about P. You are not using in the 2 P. You are not using in the 4 also P. Now, can you go to 4 to 1? Yes. In the 1, are you using P? Yes. So to say at the 2, P is live or not, first one, someone should use it. Okay. There should be a path. See, there should be a path. Someone using, okay, there should be a path also there. But unfortunate thing is, this P is, right, new P, overwriting taken place. So what I mean to say is, at the 2, P is not live. Not live means dead. At the 2, Q is live or not? Let's check. At the 2, Q is live. In the 2, are you using Q? No. In the 4, are you using Q? Using means right hand side. No. At the 1, are you using Q? Yes. Right? Yes. Let's check here. So at the two, if I want to say Q is alive or not, someone should use it. Okay. There should be a path. That is also okay. But unfortunate thing, Q is already overwritten. It is not the old Q, it is the new Q, updated one. So Q is not live, dead. Let's go to S. At the 2, S is live or not? Let's check. At the 2, you are not using S. So at 4 also, you are not using. I think in 1, you are using S. In 1, you are using S, but that S is new S. So I think here S also dead. So what about V? Let's check. What about V? Right? At the 2, V is live or not? V. Here you are not using, okay? Here you are using, but the unfortunate thing is V is already updated. You are not using the old V. You are using the new V. So V also dead. So at the 2, the people who are live, at the 2 who are live is, I think R and U. Remaining all are dead. DD, LD, LD. First row, DD, LD, LD. Let's check. DD, LD, LD. So first row. So this is the answer. I already done for your convenience. Right? Let's go back. At the 3 who are live, let's do the same thing. Let's do the same thing for the 3 also. Let's do the same thing for the 3 also. Be careful. Let's do the same thing for the 3 also. Everyone be careful. At the 3 who are live, I am at 3 now. Understand? At the 3 who are live, first of all, yes, live. At the 3, yes, live. At the 3, you also live. Okay. At the 3, if you observe, yes and you live, that's okay. Immediately you are writing Q. I think Q dead. Further, whoever will come, updated Q only. Q directly dead. Now, can you help me? Some people are asking, so what about V, sir? At the 3, V is live or not? 3 you are not using. At 4 you are using. Yes, V is live. Because here Q updated, not V. Okay, that's okay. What about R, sir? At the 3, R is not using. At the 4, you are using R. No updation also. I think R also live. What about P, sir? At the 3, what about P, sir? At the 3, you are not using P. At the 4 also, you are not using P. At the 1, you are using P. But P is overwritten. So that is dead. So DD 4 else. DD 4 else. DD 4 else. So second row also perfect. Let's go to fourth row. Let's go to fourth row. Be careful, everyone. Let's go to fourth row. At the fourth row, who are live? So live definition I given. I written also. See everything there. Everything there. Definition. Live variable. Actual definition is what? Actual definition is this. Live variable. Actual definition is this. Right? I can say I am live now if I use myself or someone else using afterwards. If I use myself or someone else using afterwards. If I use myself now or someone else using afterwards, then I can say I am live. So if I want to say clearly, so I took one example. In the exam, they will give live variable definition also. In one of the exam, they given the live variable definition. Right? Problem itself contained. That's the reason I didn't return. This is a live variable definition. If they give, well and good. If they don't give, please remember. It's very simple here. At SI, I can say X is live. At SJ, someone using X. Using means right hand side of assignment statement, it should be there. Right hand side of assignment, it should be there. And one more, in between, overwriting cannot be there. And there should be a path also. This is the definition. So I already completed 2, 3. Still, if you have doubt, let's do at 4. At 4, who are live? I think directly at 4, 2 people. V also live, R also live. Okay, until now, okay. But remember, immediately, see, at the 4, you are not using Q, but Q is overwritten. So whoever will come further, Q is updated one. So Q dead. Next one. From the 4, can I go to 1? Yes. Then what about P? So at the 4, you are not using P. At the 1, you are using P, but old P. So P dead. So what about S? What about S? At 4, you are not using S. So at 1, you are using S. But S is you are using S. Okay. S is a new one. So that is also dead. What about U? Some people are asking, what about U? At 4, you are not using U. At 1, are you using U? At 4, you are not using U. That is okay. At 1, are you using y1? So 4 to 1, there is a path. At 1, are you using u? No. No. But immediate, there is a overwriting. Further may be there, but overwriting is there. So this is also dead. So dead, right? dd, ld, dl, dd, ld, dl, dd, ld, dl. So this is also okay. This is also okay. So he's asking 2 and 3 who are live. At the 2, if you see who are live is R and U. At the 3, if you see who are live is RSUV. RSUV. So at both who are live, common things find out. I think RU. RU is common. RU is common. So I think C is the answer. The answer for this problem is C. So live definition I given one example also. In my opinion, everyone is comfortable. Small doubt also there, let me know. The purpose of live is, if you have any doubt, you can ask directly. This is the purpose of live. Purpose of live is this only. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask doubt, I am going to help you. Now I think some theory also I written. Can you see? Statement 2 is live at R and U. Statement 2 is live at R also, U also. Statement 3 is live. Statement 3 is live. RSUV. R also, S also, U also, V also. The common point, if you find out, RU is the common point. RU. This is the common point. So that is the answer. So option C is correct. In the given problem, option C is correct. Right? And one more, live variable definition. Maybe I written a little more easy way. Live variable analysis is useful in compilers to find variables in each program that may be needed in future. That is the purpose. In future, it is needed or not. If not needed, it's dead. Remember, in future, it is not needed. It is dead. In future, you are not useful. Means you are dead now. In future, are you useful or not? Please check. At least now or future. Now maybe I think you are not getting results. At least afterwards, are you getting results? Now itself, you are getting results. Well and good. Afterwards, you are getting results. That is also okay. Now also not there. Afterwards also not there. Means you are dead. Live variable analysis is useful in compilers to find variables in each program that may be needed in future. Be careful. As per the definition given in the question, a variable is live if it holds a value that may be needed in the future. In other words, it is used in future before any new assignment. Indirectly, directly, so many ways I said. This is the live variable definition and one example I given. I hope everyone is comfortable. Right. So this is the one thing, right? Some kind of questions you may see like this. Some kind of questions you may see like this. Try to understand. You may see some kind of questions like this. Right. Now let's go to one more model is there. Let me do that also. One more model is there. Let me do that also. Please understand. Please understand one small line. Please try to understand. This is one block. Careful. This is called basic block. Normal terminology is basic block. This is one block. Right? Assume that this block name may be N. Basic block N. Assume. A is equal to B plus C. D is equal to E minus G. E, right? Next one. F is equal to H plus, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I think H also there. I assume that this is the block. In this block, remember, in this block, careful. In this block, the people whom you are using. In this block, the people whom you are using. In this block, the people whom you are using. That is called as gen. Set of variables used in block N before being defined there. Before being defined there. This means the people what you are using inside this block, that is called gen of N. Block number is N, so gen of N is nothing but the people whom you are using inside this block. Remember, right? Old B only. See here B. Nowhere definition is there here. Old B only. Old C only. Nowhere new definition there. Old E only. Old G only. Old H only. Old I only. So answer is B, C, right? G-E-H-I. This is called gen. Next one, the people who changed, the people who are updated, those are called kill. So kill of n is equal to ADF. Be careful. Kill means updated people. Assignment, right? Assignment operator, right? Whatever is there, those are called as gen. Assignment operator, whoever there, left side, those are called kill. Set of variables defined means assigned in n, in the basic block n. Their old values are killed. That is the meaning. Kill means their old values are killed. The variables which you are using in this block means right side people. Those are called as gen. Gen means generate. Gen means generate, kill means killed, right? Fine. Until now, it's okay. So I think first point, second point is clear. So be careful with these four definitions. There are two kind of problems in the live variable analysis. One is which are live or not, they will ask. One more, they may ask gen, they may ask kill, they may ask in, they may ask out. Right? They may ask gen, they may ask kill, they may ask in, they may ask out. So what is in, right? What is out? See, the set of variables which are live at the entry of means at the entrance. At the entrance who are live in this block, that is called in of n. In of n. In of n means the variables which are live at the entrance of basic block n. How to calculate, I will explain. Next one, the variables which are live at the exit of basic block. At the entrance who are live, that is called as in of n. At the exit who are live, that is called, right, out of n. That is called out of n. Out of n. Right? So how to calculate these two? Within few minutes, I will explain. Within few minutes, I will explain. I hope until now everyone is comfortable. Small doubt also there, let me know in the comment section. Small doubt also there. Those people who are watching, small doubt also there. Please, can you comment in the comment section? Please let me know. Can you comment in the comment section if you have small doubt also? Whoever watching, please comment in the comment section. Do you have any doubt till now? There are 4 definitions are there. I written the definitions also. I'm explaining one by one. Within few minutes, I will give the definitions. I will give the problem. Everything is perfect. I will give everything perfect. Hello? Can we go? Let me know. Small doubt also there. Whoever watching, please let me know. It's one of the very, very important topic. It's one of the very, very important topic. In of n, out of n, kill of n, gen of n. So what is the use of this? Within few minutes. Indirectly, directly, all are checking, right? How to find out liveliness, or right, live variable analysis, how to find out. Indirectly, directly, all they are doing. Inside this block, who are live. Inside this block, who are killed. At the entrance, who are live. At the exit, who are live. How to calculate at the entrance, how to calculate at the exit, definitely within few minutes I will explain. I think because of no one is having doubt. No one is having doubt. So I'm going further. Let me remove this. Right? So there are some examples also there. I will explain. Some examples also there. I will explain. Don't worry. Right? Let's go to in and out, how to calculate. Someone asking in and out, how to calculate. There are some formulas are there. I will explain little bit. Then afterwards we'll go to the actual problem. See the in and out. Assume it is a basic block n. Assume it is a basic block n. Okay, B of n. Basic block n, assume. Simply B of n. Assume it is a basic block n. Suppose assume that there is one more like this. It is the basic block n plus 1. Right? Parent is basic block n. One of the child is basic block n plus 1. There is a dependency from n to n plus 1. N to n plus 1, there is a edge. From n, there is an outgoing edge. To n plus 1. Let us assume that one basic block is there, number is n. One more basic block is there, n plus 1. So n to n plus 1, there is a edge. Okay, fine. Now observe. Now observe everyone. Observe everyone. See this one. Out of n is equal to in of n plus 1. Please try to understand. current block wherever you are, its out is equal to next block in. Out of n is equal to in of n plus 1. Right? Are you getting? Out of n is equal to in of n plus 1. So what I mean to say is n plus 1 block, if you know in, n block out also you know. Next one, n block out if you know, n plus 1 in also you know. So these two are same. Right? Out of the basic block n is equal to in of basic block n plus 1. So try to understand. Try to understand. This is the way how to calculate the out. Out will be calculated like this. Out will be calculated like this one. Out of me is equal to in of next one. Some people are asking, suppose, sir, whatever you said, it's okay. Suppose one more person there. This is basic block n plus 2. Then what is the answer? Out of n is equal to in of next one. I think next two people are there. In of n plus 1. Union in of n plus 2. Suppose one more person there. Sir, one more person there. What is the answer? Basic block n plus 2. Then, right, union in of n plus 2. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, like that. Right, like that. So that is the way how to find out out. Out is equal to in of next people. Can you see this one? This is the formula. Out of n is equal to union of all successors. Union of all successors in of n plus 1, in of n plus 2, in of n plus 3, and so on. See, if at all one person there, in of n plus 1. If more there, union of all successors in. Union of all successors of in. Union of all successors of in. Remember, successor means next people. Next people in. If the next person is only n plus 1, in of n plus 1. Union of all successors in. So that's what I written. Right? Next one. Right? So I think some people are asking, what is the in? Remember, the in only little bit difficult. There is one formula you have to take care. I will explain that also. What is the meaning of successors of n? What is the meaning? Successors of n is nothing but, right, successors of n plus 1 of n, of node n. Let me read once again. Successors of n is equal to so meaning is same, right? Successors of n is equal to next people, right? N plus 1, n plus 2, like that, right? Successors of node n. Successors of node n in this diagram is n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, something like that. Successors of n is equal to, right, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. Simply n children's. If you confuse, you can simply say n children's. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Now concentrate. Concentrate the small thing also. Concentrate the small thing also. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Let us assume that it is one block. Let us assume it's a one more block. Two blocks are there. It is the basic block n. It is the basic block n plus 1. You know how to calculate gen of n. You know how to calculate kill of n. You know how to calculate out of n. You know how to calculate in of n. In the similar way here also. In the similar way here also. Let me write now. It is the basic block n plus 1. Basic block n plus 1. You know how to calculate gen of n plus 1. Kill of n plus 1. Next one. Out of n plus 1. In of n plus 1. Let us assume these all are available. These all are available. Try to understand everyone. You know how to get the right out already. You know how to get the out already, everyone know. So we are talking about in, right? Let us assume that this is available. This is also available. Let us assume somehow I got this also. Somehow I got this also. Let us assume somehow I got this also. 3 people you got. But how to get in? At the entrance who are live, how to get it? Very simple. Be careful, everyone. In of anyone, how to get is in of basic block n plus 1 is equal to, remember this, out of n plus 1. First of all, out calculate. minus kill of n plus 1 union gen of n plus 1. This is the formula. Remember, while calculating in, you have to see inside only, not outside. While calculating in, see inside this box only. In of n plus 1 is equal to c. All are n plus 1 only. Inside people only use. Who are those? Out you use out minus kill union gen. Out minus kill union gen. Out minus kill union gen. So that is the formula. So same thing. In of n is equal to, remember, while calculating in of n, everywhere you are using n only. Everywhere you are using n only. In of n is equal to out of n minus kill of n. After getting these two, do union of gen n. This is the formula. Please be careful. So I think let's see, some definitions are over. Now see the example. You will get the full clarity. Consider the following control graph. Consider the following control graph. Right? Some graph is given. Some control flow graph is given. Right? They are asking which one of the following choices correctly lists the set of live variables at the exit point, also known as out of each block. Very simple. In the diagram, how many blocks are there? For each block, find out out. For each block, find out out. So out of B1, out of B2, we have to calculate. How to do that? I will do within few minutes. Right? This problem I will do within few minutes. Before that, let's see. Example 3 is very simple. We will do this first, then we will go to that example. Example 2 little tough. Example 3 is so easy. First, let's do example 3. Then we will go to example 2. See the example 3. For a statement S in a program, in the context of liveness analysis, the following sets are defined. Use of S, right? I think use means the set of variables used in S, which is nothing but a gen. I think it is a gen. Right? And one more thing, right? For a statement S in a program, S means basic block. S means basic block. For a statement S in a program, in the context of liveness analysis, the following sets are defined. Use of S means gen of S. That's okay. Next one, in of S is the set of variables that are live at the entry of S. Out of S is nothing but the set of variables that are live at the exit of S. So I think in of S is there, you know very well. Out of S also there, that is also you know very well. So I think kill is not given because of it. Maybe it is required, it is not required, I don't know. Is not mentioned kill. Check. Is he given anywhere? Gen given, in given, out given. Consider the basic block that consists of two statements S1 followed by S2. Right? Basic block S1 followed by basic block S2. This is the diagram. Now he's asking which one of the following statements are correct. Which one of the following statements are correct? Everyone know out of S1 is equal to in of S2. Out of S1 is equal to in of S2. Directly is given the simplest formula. Suppose same thing he asked for, right? Right, same thing he asked for in of S1. What you do? Suppose if they ask you in of S1, see, in of S1 is equal to, remember everyone, while calculating in, you cannot go outside. Within the block only you decide. In of S1 is equal to out of S1 minus kill of S1 union gen of S1, like this. So that is the reason he is not given kill, because he is not asking in, he is asking out. Consider a basic block that consists of two statements S1 followed by S2. So out of S1 is equal to in of S2. Right? Everything is out only. See, he is asking out only. He is asking out only. Out of S1 is equal to in of S2. Right? Right. Now I think B is the correct answer. Right? Explanation also I done already. Explanation also I already done. Now see one more thing. Right? After completion of this class, if you have small doubt, just WhatsApp us. To this number you WhatsApp, or I didn't get this point, or somewhere I have confusion, you can do that. And one more thing, if you are a ranker or if you are a achiever, right? In the gate rank, or you got the one of the very big company, FANG company. You want to share knowledge to our students, right? By doing job part-time or full-time, right? You can happily contribute to EPTT, right? You can provide valuable articles, good articles you can write, useful things which may come in the exam, which may be useful for interviews. Next one, tough questions you can frame, doubt solving you can do for our students. If you want, you can do teaching also, right? Valuable articles you can write, tough questions you can frame, doubts also you can solve, teaching also you can do. But the only condition is you should be a ranker or you should be an achiever, right? So if you are ranker or if you are an achiever, you want to help my students, you are happily allowed. So you can mail to this mail ID, or you can WhatsApp also. It will be going to be really useful. It is going to be really useful, right? I think this problem also we done. Let's come to the example 3. Sorry, example 2, which we kept in the pending state. Be careful. Everything is ready. Example 2, everything is ready. Please be careful. Some people are asking, right? Some people are asking, sir, how to get this particular notes. I already explained to you. Just go to exampreptool.com, right? Gate CSC, you will find out so many articles. Whichever article you want, you can see. These all will be useful. Examination point of things only there. I don't keep any dust. No dust will be there. If we feel anything useful, right, it will be there in the form of an article, right? So just go to live variable analysis, you click, you will find out this data. Same thing I am writing, on the same thing only I am writing, right? Fine. I think everyone is comfortable until now. Let's do this problem. This problem, see this one. At every block, we have to find out. Actually, out only required, but you know very well, out of someone is equal to next one in, right? Indirectly, you want in also. Out of someone is equal to in of next one. So I think in also required, out also required. And one more important thing is, right, while calculating the in, you will use gen also, kill also. So what I mean to say is, in every block, we have to calculate these 4 people. So please be careful. And one more, right? In this problem, any cycle there, please check first of all before going to start. Cycle there are not verified. In this particular one, is there any cycle? Please check. Right? So if you find out cycle, what you do is, understand everyone. Cycle not there, this problem very simple. If cycle is there, if you find out cycle, then what you do is remove one of the edge, so that cycle will go. You felt that in this diagram cycle there. So eliminate that edge which is creating cycle. I think this is creating cycle, eliminate it. Assume this edge is not there. If at all no cycle, directly you can attack. If cycle is there, right, find that edge which is creating cycle. That edge, assume not there. Now see one by one. If at all cycle is not there, understand, if at all cycle is not there, can you find that block which don't have outgoing edge? In this entire diagram, find that particular block which don't have outgoing edge. I think you don't have outgoing edge. Exit means only for namesake. So whenever this edge is there, outgoing 1 is there. Now because of this edge not there, assume, so outgoing 0. So what you do is, in this problem, as soon as any problem is given, first of all check cycle is there or not there, right? If cycle is there, first of all, the edge which is creating cycle, assume that edge not there. Suppose if no cycle, directly you can start. Cycle is there, the edge which is creating cycle, assume that is not there. Now after removing this edge, which I done the red color, right? Then in the remaining people, who is having out degree 0? I think B4 having out degree 0. So what you do is, from there you start. Whichever having out degree 0, from there you start. If no one is there out degree 0, means guarantee cycle there. In the diagram, there is no one out degree 0, means cycle there. Then what you do is, eliminate that edge which is creating cycle. Then check who is having out degree 0. From that place onwards, start the story. Start now. I'm starting now. So this is going to be, right, basic block 4. Janna 4. Killa 4. Right, next one. Out of 4. Inna 4. You know how to calculate in. If you want to calculate in, you have to use all the above 3 people. So let's start now. Everyone observe. So in this basic block, who are there on the right hand side? In this basic block, assignment operator, right hand side, who is there? Only A. So A. Gen means right hand side, who is there? Plus 1 is a constant, you don't need to bother. Next one. In this basic block, who is there? Left hand side of assignment I. So kill is I. Now one more interesting thing. In this basic block, right? Basic block is 4. Out of 4 is equal to in of next one. See, next one not there. Out of 4 is equal to in of next one not there, next one not. If next one not there, out, that is the meaning of out degree 0. If next one not there, keep pi. This is the first thing. Start from that person who don't have the out degree, who don't have, right, who don't have out degree. So that person out is equal to, because of no one is going outside, out of 4 is equal to pi. Pi means empty. Now see, in of 4 is equal to out of 4 pi minus kill of 4 I union gen of 4 A. Remember, it is a set theory subtraction. What the set theory subtraction will do is left minus right. If you do set theory subtraction, if anything common, it will cancel. Right? After cancellation is over, whatever left hand side is there, that is the answer. Pi minus I, nothing common. Because of nothing common, so there is no problem. Whatever is left out on the left side, only pi. So this will give pi. Okay. Pi union A. Right? Finally A. So final answer is A. So I4 is going to be A. Remember set theory subtraction. See this one. A comma B comma C minus, right? A comma B comma C minus, be careful, right? So A, B, D, E, F. Suppose A, B, C minus A, B, D, E, F. A, B, D, E, F. If at all something like this, common things first cancel. After cancellation is over, further cancellation is not possible. Whatever left hand side left out, take that answer. Answer is C. That is the meaning of set theory subtraction. Set theory subtraction will give left hand side people only, but common things you cancel. Okay. So B4 I done. In the B4 I got all. Be careful. Let's go to B3. Be careful. So B4 I done. Let's go to B3. Make sure everyone listen. Let's go to B3. In the B3, if you observe, I'm doing here B3. Careful. G3, K3, O3, I3. We have to calculate all these 4 people. So in the basic block 3, if you see right hand side, no one there. Fine. If you see left side, A there. A. Now can you help me? Everyone try to understand. B3 out is equal to B4 in. B4 in already we got A. B4 in is already we got A. So right. So careful everyone. B3 out is equal to B4 in. B4 in is already A. So this is A. Next one. How to get the I3? I3 if you want to get, right? So what is the answer? Out of 3 minus kill of 3 A union gen of 3 pi. So A minus A means cancel both. So finally pi will be there. So B3 also you done. Let's go to B2. Guarantee you will get, almost you got it. G3, K3, right? O3, sorry, 2 na. Next one, I2. All are 2. 2 here. All are 2. Careful, it is a very, very important topic. So I'm doing B2. So B2, can you help? B2 inside. What is the G2? Right side people only see. I is there. I think J is there. What about kill? I also, J also, same. What about O2? Try to understand. So B2 out is equal to, who is going outside? 2 people, B3, B4, B3 in, B4 in. So, right, 0, right, O2 is equal to, right, what is the answer? I3 union I4. Out of 2 is equal to in of 3, right, because of 2 people, in of 3, in of 4. So in of 3 is pi. In of 4 is a, which is a finally. Now what about in? In is nothing but out minus kill union gen ij. So a minus ij is because of nothing is common. Whatever left is there, take a. A union ij is going to be aij. 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 Right? Until now, everyone fine. And one more thing is, you just concentrate on cycle people. First cycle people concentrate. So I done it. So these people I done. See, until here I done. Because of cycle there, I just concentrated on cycle people. But understand one thing. So one round, whoever is part of the cycle, you done one round. After one round is over, what you have to do is see, actually one edge there. You said that this edge is not there. Actually there. For our convenience, we assumed it is not there. Actually there. Now in the second round. One round over in the second round. In the second round, right, from which place you started? I think before you started, from there onwards again start. Whenever cycle is there, more than one round you have to do. Whenever cycle is there, more than one round you have to do. So I think you done one round, all the people, right? Cycle people we are talking. Do one more round. Let's go to B4. Careful everyone, B4. In the B4, I think no doubt at all, gen will not change. Kill also will not change. Gen also will not change, kill also will not change, because they are the inside people. Now observe out. See, everyone know out of 4 is equal to in of next. Can you help me now for this 4? Who is the next one? Actually, for the 4, next one, no one there, but there is a someone. See, previously, right, for starting itself, I cannot take complex thing. Now I can take, because he is going back. B2 previously, I don't know how to calculate. Now B2 having something. Now see this one. So B4, right? B4 out is equal to, right? Who is the B4 children? B2. B2 in. So remember, right? So out of 4 is equal to in of next people. Next people are B2. Out of 4 is equal to, right, in of 2. Out of 4 is equal to in of 2. What is the in of 2? In of 2 is aij. So we done it. So basic block 4, second round is going on. In the second round, gen over, kill over, out also over. Now let's see the in. In is equal to out minus. Out, what is the out? Aij. Out minus aij minus I. I cancel. So aj left out. Aj union A. So what is the answer? Aj union A. So aj, let's check. I cancel, aj left out, aj union A. So aj. So I4 also we done. So B4 completed second round. So next one, let's go over B3. So previously I done this is first. Next I done this. Next I am doing this. 1 over. Let's go to 2. So 2 number. Now start here. So B3, kill will not change. Gen will not change. What about out? Can you help me? What about out? Out of 3 is equal to in of 4. I think in of 4. Any change? aj. Right? I'm repeating once again. Out of 3 is equal to in of 4. In of 4, any change? Yes. What is that one? aj. So it is going to be aj. It's going to be aj. Out of 3 is equal to in of 4. So it is going to be aj. Okay, that's fine. Next one. What about in of 3? In of 3 is equal to out of 3. Let me write now. In of 3 is equal to out of 3 aj minus kill of 3 a cancel. So j left out, union kill is pi. So finally j. So I think B3 also over. Let's go to B2. Right? B2, gen will not change, kill will not change. See the out. Out of 2 is equal to in of 3, in of 4. What is the in of 3? J. What is the in of 4? What is the in of 4? A. So it's going to be aj. It's going to be aj. Now what about in of 2? In of 2 is equal to, let me write. In of 2 is equal to out of 2. aj minus kill of 2 ij. If you observe clearly, jj cancel. So left out is a union ij. So finally aij. Finally aij. So second round also I done. But if you observe clearly, second round I done as usual. Whenever, what I want to say is, whenever loop is there, more than one time you have to do. I think first time I done, second time also I done. Let's do third time. Whenever loop is there, more than one time you have to do. One round over, two round over. Let's do third round. Let's do third round. Third round I'm doing. Everyone start from again one. Start from again one means before. So in the B4, G4 will not change, K4 will not change. Observe here. Observe here. Out of 4 is equal to, listen, out of 4 is equal to in of next to. In of next means in of 2. Out of 4 is equal to in of 2. What is in of 2? In of 2 is AJ. Out of 4 is equal to, please check. Out of 4 is equal to in of 2. In of 2 is AJ. Let's see, am I done anything wrong? Anything wrong? Please verify. Check one time. When you are doing fourth round, when you are doing third round start from B4. In the B4, out of 4 is equal to in of 2. In of 2 is AJ. So previously what I got? Only A. Previously what I got? Previously what I got? Previously I think AIJ I got. Previously I got AIJ. Right? Previously I got AIJ. Now what I will get? Out of 4 is equal to, right? In of 2. In of 2 how much? AIJ. So see this one. See everyone. Out of 4 is equal to in of 2. In of 2 is AIJ. Already AIJ. So whenever is AIJ, previously, right? Whenever AIJ, corresponding changes done. If you do, so next time onward, because of is not updated, automatically you don't update. So in the second round, when second round is over, when I'm doing third round, out of 4 is equal to in of 2. In of 2 AIJ. AIJ already there. Again AIJ means because of is not updated, automatically you don't update. Check if you want. Automatically you don't update. If you do one more round also, no use. Whenever you got to know no changes are there, stop it. Whenever you got to know no changes are there, stop. Remember, whenever cycle is there, more than one round required. That may be 2, that may be 3, but minimum 2 rounds. When you are doing third round, you got to know changes are not there. When you got to know changes not there, you can stop it. When you got to know changes not there, you can stop it. So these are the people, whatever we got till now. Small doubt also there. I am not done anything here. Little doubt also there. Please see the entire description, whatever I done. So after completion of all, see, is not part of the loop. After total loop is over, then you can do B1. Because the person who is not part of the loop, there is no point of doing again and again. Right? So he's not part of the loop. Now let me do specially here. What is Gen 1? Outside, right? So Gen 1, what are the things you are using on the right side? M, C, M, next one, N, that's it. What about kill? K1. K1 is equal to, I think, I, J, A. What about, see this one, everyone? Out of 1 is equal to in of 2. In of 2 is AIJ. Next one, what about in of 1? Actually, no need to calculate because he's asking out only. No need to calculate. Let me calculate. In of 1 is equal to out of 1 AIJ minus kill of 1. So AIJ union, right? Gen of 1, M comma N, which will goes to, I think all are cancelled. So M comma N. So until now, everything is perfect. Now we have to calculate every person. We have to calculate every block. We have to calculate every block, right? We have to calculate every block out. You have to calculate B1 out what? Aij. Let's go there. B1 out Aij. I think Aij here, Aij here. It cannot be the answer. It cannot be the answer. Okay. B1 over. Let's go to B2. Let's go to B2. B2, what is the B2 out? B2 out is AJ. B2 out is AJ here, it is AIJ. It's not the answer. AJ. Let's go to B3. What is the B3 out? B3 out is AJ. Can I say B4? Can I go to B4? B4 out is equal to AIJ. So answer is D. Right? So since the CFG contain loop, we may require multiple backward iterations. Some people are asking, why are you doing from the bottom? Right? Why are you doing from the bottom? If you observe clearly, somewhere I written also, see this one. Data flow equations, backward analysis. We analyze this backwards from the end of the program to start. Because always, if I want to know, am I useful afterwards or not? Afterwards. So you have to come from bottom. Analysis will be done from the bottom, because how I know, am I live or not? So if someone using me afterwards, so from the bottom onwards, you have to start. From the bottom onwards, you have to start. So let me read it once again. Since the CFG contain loop, we may require multiple backward iterations to identify live variables at each block. See the pictures below to see the iterations, right? I posted here. It is the initial diagram. Next one, after one iteration, this is the answer. See this one, initial it is pi. Assume this edge is not there. Initially it is pi. So based on this will come. But remember, is calculating only out, right? Only out, whichever is necessary, those only I am calculating. Remaining things I am writing in my notes. It is the iteration 1. Let's do iteration 2. It is the iteration 2. It is the iteration 2 story. It is the iteration 3. Whenever I do iteration 3, it is not updating. See, here also Aij, here also Aij. Here also AJ, here also AJ. No updation, so nothing changed. So you can stop. In any round, answer is not changing. Stop it. Right? Stop it. So this is the thing. I hope everyone got it. So right, 2 models only there. They will give either this model, or maybe some theoretical things he will give. Maybe some theoretical stuff they will ask like this. If not, they will ask you what is the gen, what is the kill, what is the in, what is the out, what is the gen for, what is the in formula, what is the out formula, right? Something you will create one loop and you will give the problem, something like that they will give. I hope everyone got it. And one more important thing I want to say to you, India, right? Indians women's team got ICC 2025 World Cup. Because of that reason, all total India celebrating. All women's celebrating, total India celebrating. Right? We can't my students. Because of that reason, EPT is giving. Let's celebrate all the students also. We are giving very nice offer we are giving. Right? So very nice offer is going on. Please utilize. So let me say that offer also. Test series. If you take test series, right, only 499. Get CSE test series or DA test series, 499 rupees only. Next one, RIC course, 1999. Next one, right, DSA course, placement course, 2999. Next one, regular course, either CSE or DE. Regular course, GATE CSE regular course, 4999. Right? Only 99 seats are available, but sorry to say that already 65 seats approximately over. Only 30 seats are left out. Tomorrow is the last date for this. 6th, right? 6th November is the last date. 6th November is the last date. Please utilize. right? If anyone is not taken, right, please take. So those people who want to utilize this offer, you can WhatsApp this number, right? You can avail this option. 888-208-9903. You can WhatsApp us and you can select whatever you like, right? So GATE CSE course you can join, right? It's a 1-year course. Actual cost is 16,500. We are giving 499, right? Actual course is 16,500. We are giving 4,999, right? So test series, actual test series 2,000 rupees. We are giving 499, right? Very best offer, best one. It's only until tomorrow, so please utilize it. Thank you so much, right? See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Thank you. It's a very, very important one. It is a very, very important one. This topic, 2 marks mostly you will get. 2 marks mostly you will get. Right? Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Someone is saying that, sir, first time, sir, you taking slide. Love your teaching. So I am Lone Akib. Hi Akib. Thank you. Sir, अकेले को पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Live class है. Sir, can we see chat? Of course, Rahul. Yeah, I'm seriously teaching, so because of that reason, I didn't see your chat. Any doubt there? If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. These slides also you can download, right? So these slides also, right? Downloading may not be possible. Just whenever you want, you can come and you can check here. How? I already explained. Just go to GATE CSE, right? So just go to the exampreptool.com. So GATE CSE, then you will find out this article, right? So live variable analysis, all important topics are there here. So you can utilize it. You have short notes also, see computer, right? Short notes for compiler design, short notes for theory of computation, short notes for aptitude, for every subject short notes also available. You can utilize. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah, I'm stopping. Thanks.